Hi farms, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can check if a lawyer in Nigeria is legit. Now the first thing to do is to come to your browser and then you'd want to search for find a lawyer in Nigeria, and from the search result you see this one by Nigerian Bar Association. Just go ahead and click on that. Alright, so this is the baked-in tool on the Nigerian Bar Association. It allows you to find a lawyer that is called to the bar. You can see from here it says to find lawyers listed in the Nigerian Bar Association members directory, simply enter either the lawyer's name or their enrollment number. So what you need to do is to just key in their name. So for example, let's just search any name like and then you'd see the list of lawyers or legal practitioners with that name. If you have a precise name, it's a lot better. Just key in the name, and if the lawyer is there, it means that they are legit and they are called to the bar. So be safe guys, that's how to go about that. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly like and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.